Hello and welcome.
In this video, we're going to learn how to interpret moods in the Luo language. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the moods such as when you're scared, when you're happy, when you're sad, when you're angry, when you're energetic, when you're tired, when you're gloomy, when you're curious and sick and hungry. So the first mood we talk about is when you're scared. When you're scared, you say abuok.
Buok,
Buok.
buok,
So B-U-O-K. When you're happy, you say amor.
mor,
Amor.
amor,
I'm happy. Imor.
imor,
Omor.
omor,
Wamor.
wamor,
We are happy. Okay. The next one is sad. When you're sad, you say kuyo.
kuyo,
Kuyo.
kuyo,
Kuyo.
kuyo,
Kuyo.
kuyo,
An kod kuyo.
an kod kuyo,
An kod kuyo.
an kod kuyo.
Now, there is a saying that if you sad, when you're sad, some people say, "I mieno wang."
I mieno wang,
I mieno wang.
I mieno wang.
So when someone says "I mieno wang," they mean you are sad, or you've mieno wang is like you've plastered your face, so then your face cannot move. That's what it means, literally. So that is what, when you're sad, that is what it says, okay? Mm-hmm. When you're angry, we say ngido ich.
Ngido ich,
Angido ich.
angido ich,
Angido iya.
angido iya,
Ingido iyi.
ingido iyi.
Good. When you're energetic, you say angitekruok.
Angi tekruok,
Tekruok.
tekruok,
Tekruok.
tekruok,
Tekruok.
tekruok.
Ngamani kod teko.
Ngamani kod teko.
So someone who is energetic. Now, when you're tired, you say ajon.
Ajon,
Ajon.
ajon,
So when you're tired, you say
ajon,
ajon. Being tired is ol.
ol,
Ol.
ol,
Aol.
aol,
Aol.
aol.
Good. And when you're gloomy, you say akuyo.
Kuyo,
Kuyo.
kuyo. Isn't that the same thing as when you're sad?
When you're sad, we say kuyo.
Kuyo. So it's the same thing.
When you're gloomy, we say
Kuyo.
good. But gloomy and sad are almost the same things. A curious person,
Like me.
you say otang tang.
Motang tang.
Motang tang.
Otang tang.
Otang tang.
Otang tang.
Or kanoni.
Kanoni.
Not kanoni. Kanoni.
Kanoni.
Kanoni.
Kanoni.
Otang tang.
Otang tang.
Kanoni.
Kanoni.
When you're sick, we say otuo.
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 Tuo.
Tuo.
If you're sick to the stomach, you say chunya dudore.
Chunya dudore.
So, and when you're hungry, you say adeño.
Adeño.
Adeño. Adeño.
Adeño.
So when you're hungry.
Adeño.
And when you're thoughtful, you say anguon.
Manguon.
Manguon. Manguon.
Manguon.
Manguon.
Manguon.
Now, when you're talkative, we say amila.
Amila.
Angi amila.
Angi amila.
Angi amila.
Angi amila.
Ja amila.
Ja amila.
Ja amela.
Ja amila.
That's someone who is talkative and is always
Talking.
yidi, you know.
Pere,
Yidi,
pere,
pere,
pere.
pere mingi. And when you're quiet, you say an jaling.
Ling.
Jaling.
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 Tio talingalinga.
Jaling.
Jaling.
Yeah, so the ling is a quiet person, okay? When you're fatigued, you say aboch, moboch,
Moboch.
or boch.
Oboch.
That is, he's fatigued. When you're exhausted, you say obembore,
Obembore.
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 Now, when you're dull, know someone who's dull?
Yeah.
You say kill, 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 kill,
Kill, kill.
kill, kill.
Kill, kill.
So kill, kill is someone who is.
Dull.
When you're overcast, we say jewel, a jewel,
Jewel.
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 That's overcast. When you're predicated, we say jur,
Jur.
ngamo jur,
Jur.
ngamo jur,
Ngamo jur.
ngamo jur.
Ngamo jur.
When you're disrespectful, we say ja achaye,
Ja achaye.
ja achaye.
Ja achaye.
And finally, when you speak disrespectfully, we say idolo watch, adolo watch.
Idolo watch.
So dolo watch is someone who is I don't care. Boom, idolo watch.
Idolo watch.
Okay, good.